Hey guys, welcome back to Lazy Boy Technology. Today this video is about a fantastic way to reduce plastic waste and get creative with your recycling efforts. I'll show you how to convert a plastic bottle into different sizes of plastic ropes like this. So let's get started. For this we need a foam board or plywood board, which we'll need to cut it into a rectangular shape as it is easy to hold, which you will understand why at the end of the video, why I say so. So if you're not familiar using an actual blade, please use gloves. Post that we'll need a marker and a scale to mark 3 equidistant lines, that is for cutting the ropes in 3 different sizes at the edges. So I'm just marking the lines on the box, and post that I'll be marking at the edges 1 inch depth, 0.5 inch depth and 0.3 inch depth. Well, I'm doing this prior so that when I cut, it's easy for me to identify how much I need to cut. So we'll have this set, and now we'll start the cutting process. So I'll be using the axe for blade and cutting the respective board into a depth of 1 inch, and for the first one, the second one will be for 0.5 inches, and the third one will be for 0.3 inches. So once please be careful, and there will be dust. Suppose if someone is allergic, please wear a mask and then do it. So once we have done this, it will look like this of 3 different depths. After that, I'll be placing the cutting knife with the markings of where the screws need to be kept, so that the cutting blade or the cutting knife is set on this thing. So come, let's go drill some holes for keeping the screws. So now I've done the drilling of the holes. So now I'll place the blade in between. The blade should be perpendicular to the respective 3 consecutive lines that I've drawn. Why? Because the blade will be entering, the plastic will be entering through one side and exiting to the other, and that will be cut using this blade. So now I'm going to screw nut and ball the respective holes so that I can keep the blade intact. Please ensure that the opposite side of the blade, that is from the entry to the exit side, should be tightly packed. Why? Because the maximum force from the bottle will be coming onto that particular location, so the blade shouldn't skid or tend to fall off, so that you do not have any sort of danger. So like this, the contraption should be kept and placed in a neat proper area. It's like a cutting board where it enters the plastic bottle in this one side. So now we are set. Now what we'll require is a plastic bottle. We'll cut the base of that plastic bottle in a circular form, that means the bottom base. So I'm using an actual blade to cut the bottom part of it. So now the bottom is already cut. So now we can see the separation. This is the circular part. We can minimize the wastage by doing this. So now I'm going to cut a portion of it, like taking a particular thread to a needle, like that. We'll have to add on a little bit of plastic, so that's why I'm using the scissor, so that we can add it to that particular device, and then we can pull the string out much easily through that path. So we'll be sliding this small part into the respective device, and then for ease, it enters the path and it will reach the exit, and then all you have to do is stand into the respective measurement slot that I want, that is of 1 inch. So I'm sliding the strap there, and then I'm pulling on it. So whatever comes out of that 1 inch slant would be the 1 inch rope that is required. So similarly we can do it for the 3 inch, 0.3 inch and 0.5 inch ropes. See, this is the final product of it. This is what it makes. See how you can use it. You can remove the straps if you want, and the advertisements if you want. This is the 0.3 inch and this is the 0.5 inch that is required, or we can reuse it for packing or maybe boxing up things. So if you like this video, do like and subscribe, and let's fight together in finding out much more fantastic ways for plastic waste reduction. Thank you so much.